Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be reviewing my favorite 5 products from Ultraviolet. Now, first of all, I love the name. Ultraviolet is a sunscreen brand that does some amazing products. So let me talk you through each one and why they're my favorite. And guess what? It's not sponsored. So the first one is SKINSCREEN, and this is an SPF 30. Now this is best suited for those of you with more sensitive skin. It's fragrance free. It goes on really nice. I think it plays really well with makeup, which is good because you're probably going to be applying it under it. It's just a really nice sunscreen if you're a little bit sensitive. So next up, we've got Lean Screen. Now Lean Screen is an SPF 50, so it's a bit higher. And this is a mineral mattifying sunscreen. Now we all know that sunscreens, particularly for people with oily skin like myself, they can be incredibly problematic. This dries down to a matte finish and stays matte for a number of hours. You will need maintenance. There is very few sunscreens out there that I have found that stay matte forever. This is unfortunately not one of them, but it's really, really good at making the skin feel and look matte for a few hours. Next up, we've got Fresh Screen, an SPF 50 spray. Now this can be used to touch up your makeup throughout the day. When I say touch up, what I really mean is add more sun protection to it. You shouldn't rely on this as your sole sun protection, but if you've got dry skin, this is a real boost to the skin, particularly if your makeup feels a bit dry, a bit cakey. A spritz of this will make things look way better. For me with oily skin, it's not my best friend. Next up, we've got SKINSCREEN. I think it's SKINSCREEN. It is. This is an SPF 30, and these are the bronzing drops. So you can apply these either on their own, you can mix them with your foundation or your tinted moisturizer to create a more luminous, glowing, tan looking skin with the benefit of an SPF. Really like these. I love the fact that you can just add a few drops to make things a little bit more delicious and a little bit more protective. And finally, this is just beautiful. So this is SKINSCREEN, and this is the illuminating sunscreen. This is basically a bottle of highlighter. It's that simple. You get the most beautiful, and I mean beautiful, highlighted skin you've ever seen. If you use it all over, you probably will look a touch mental. Best not to do it that way. Apply it on top for extra protection as a gorgeous SPF 50 of a highlighter, or mix it in with your foundation to create a more glowy base or your moisturizer. I love this one, it's my favorite. There you go, that's my favorite of all the Ultraviolet. It's such a good name. Let me know which one yours is, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.